Big breaking story coming in. Shiv Sena leader Anil Parab has slammed Kangana Ranaut. Anil Parab has gone ahead and said, and I quote, if Kangana has no confidence in Mumbai police, she should go where she is comfortable. Parab has gone on to say that Kangana is polluting the environment. Sushant Mehta, the entertainment editor, is now joining us for the very latest on this story. Sushant, there's another criticism coming the way of Kangana Ranaut after she compared Mumbai to Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. After that, she went on to put on that tweet saying that I'm coming on 9th of September and nobody can stop me. But the question is, who was stopping her in the first place? What Sanjay Raut had told Kangana was that if you do not like Mumbai, do not feel safe in Mumbai, then don't come.
Well, clearly she got herself in the middle of this crossfire between the BJP and the Shiv Sena. You remember, Chetty, when this case got completely political, when the FIR was filed in Bihar, Nitish Kumar, Chief Minister of Bihar, started doing phone interviews with everyone. The BJP slammed the Shiv Sena government. The Shiv Sena was at loggerhead with the BJP, and Kangana sort of clearly picked a side. She attacked the Chief Minister. She said Maharashtra is under Pappu Raj. Those were her exact words. Then she said the CM's son is baby penguin. So all of that has been going on, but suddenly she realizes that in her rage, she deviated from the topic so much. Remember, Kangana Ranaut was the first person who started talking about the industry pressure, the blind articles, and all that was justified. That was being proved by the Mumbai police at the behest of Kangana. The Mumbai police did not file an FIR, but they were parading the entire industry after Kangana Ranaut started this big movement. You remember, a day after Sushant Singh Rajput died, she had done this video where she talked about the pressures that outsiders go through, her own experience, and thus this really catapulted the case into something else, and the Mumbai police themselves started probing the industry angle. But
now this issue has gotten a little political as well after these comments. Sushant, thanks for joining us with those latest developments right there. Now, after comparing Mumbai to Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, Kangana Ranaut has tweeted again announcing her return. She has tweeted that she will be returning to Mumbai on 9th of September. She wrote that her decision to return comes after many people threatened her to not come to Mumbai. She said no one can stop her from coming to Mumbai. This is coming after Ranaut earlier criticized the Mumbai police and alleged that Shiv Sena MPs threatening her and attempts are being made to silence her. Countering Kangana's allegations, Sanjay Raut slammed the actor for insulting Mumbai police and called her quote-unquote mental case. In a big dare, Raut challenged Kangana to go and live in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir first before making such remarks. Meanwhile, after Congress alleged that Kangana's entire campaign has been orchestrated by the BJP IT cell, the BJP as well has distanced itself from Kangana. This is coming in after BJP legislator Ram Kadam earlier defended Kangana.
उनको पीओके में 2 दिन के लिए सरकारी खर्चे से भेजना चाहिए। नहीं तो हम उनका पूरा बंदोबस्त करेंगे, खर्चा देंगे। एक बार देख लीजिए पीओ को क्या है, वहाँ के लोग हिंदुस्तान के बारे में क्या बोलते हैं, उनकी क्या भूमिका है। वहाँ टेररिस्ट कैंप्स है पाकिस्तान के, उसको खदेड़ दिया था हमने। तो आप ये टेररिस्ट के बाजू में बोल रहे हैं या क्या है? आपकी मानसिकता क्या है? कोई भी हो, इस प्रकार की भाषा का इस्तेमाल करना किसी भी पुलिस के बारे में ये ठीक नहीं है। कि आप जिस राज्य में रहते हो, जिस शहर में आप रहते हो, जिस शहर में आप कमाते हो, शोहरत आपको वहाँ मिलती है, सब कुछ मिलता है। वहाँ की पुलिस हमेशा आपकी रक्षा करती है, इस शहर की रक्षा करती है, और आप उस पुलिस के बारे में अनाप शनाप बात करेंगे। आप ऐसे पुलिस के बारे में इस प्रकार की भाषा का इस्तेमाल करते हो, क्या ये एक महिला को शोभा देता है? जो पढ़ी लिखी महिला है उनको शोभा देता है? अगर हमने ये कहा तो बोलते हमको धमकी दी, ये मेंटल केस है।
संजय राउत जी से भी हमारा कहना है कि सुशांत सिंह राजपूत वाले मामले पर इंक्वायरी और उस इंक्वायरी से आए हुए तथ्यों को जनता के बीच में भ्रमित करने के लिए कंगना रनौत के पीछे छुपकर वार भारतीय जनता पार्टी पर करने की आवश्यकता नहीं।
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.